welcome to Simple or Not Kitchen. My name is Melissa, and today we have a really yummy recipe for you. We are making apple cake, and this recipe was sent to us by a Pinal Central reader who calls himself Chef Todd. And Chef Todd is an active volunteer in the community. He helps out with the Thanksgiving meal for the homeless and sends us a lot of recipes. So we really wanted to give his recipe for apple cake a try. So this apple cake, it's more like an apple upside down cake, and Chef Todd says he found this recipe in a cookbook of his, an antique cookbook, and he adjusted it and made a few modifications to it. So we're gonna try the recipe just as he submitted it. To make this super yummy cake, we're going to need about 4 or 5 apples that have been already sliced. We're also going to need some cinnamon, butter, sugar, eggs, flour, vanilla, and confectioner's sugar. We're going to start by placing our sliced apples in a greased baking dish. We're using an 8x8 glass dish. And we're going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon over those apples. Then we're going to cream together the butter and the sugar. We're then going to add in the eggs, flour, and vanilla. And the recipe that Chef Todd sent to us does not call for baking powder or baking soda, and it also calls for all-purpose flour. I am going to use self-rising flour because I like my cakes a little on the fluffy side. When the batter is finished mixing, it is going to be very, very thick, and we are going to take it and spread it very carefully over our apples. We want to get it nice and even. We're then going to pop our cake into a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. When it's done, we are going to let it cool, then we're going to carefully flip it over onto a serving plate. And then we're going to sprinkle it with a little bit of powdered sugar. And that's it. Super simple and very, very yummy. Thank you for watching Simple or Not Kitchen. For the recipe, articles, and more video, go to pinalcentral.com.